My name is Bob Anderson. I am a warranty technician, formerly a service technician. I am from southeastern Pennsylvania. I started with the company in 2009. I was a service technician for 7 years. I have been a warranty technician for 1 year. At present, it's probably helping people solve all their problems because every job I have now is potentially a problem because it's a warranty call. So that means we've already done something and now we have to make it better. Right now, probably my only hobby would be my dogs because I really used to play sports, but can't really do that anymore. I'm a little up there in age, but my dogs are probably my biggest hobby. My family and being a homeowner, I actually live in my family home that was built on our farm. So it's been in our family for 80, 90 years, and I'm fortunate enough to be able to still live there. And my wife and I have been married 26 years now, so lucky she kept me. It would be La Mancha Rescue in Unionville, Pennsylvania. We have facilitated rescues of other animals to other people, and we have rescued a couple animals from there.